We are already a few weeks into the new year. Happy New Year. And you may be wondering where we are in terms of the real estate market and what's going to happen with home prices this year. In this video, we're going to look at the year in review so we know where we've been. And we're going to look at what's on the horizon for the real estate market in 2022 here in the Greater Toronto Area. Hi, my name is Evelyn Lopes with the Evelyn Lopes Realty team. And for the past 32 years, I've been helping families navigate through life's transitions and helping them understand and interpret information so that they can make informed and best decisions for themselves and their families as they move from one home to the next, so that they can live the life of their dreams in the home of their dreams. After almost 2 years of double-digit price increases here in the Greater GTA, many experts thought that home price appreciation would decelerate, or at least happen at a slower rate. 2021, however, saw a record 121,712 sales, which were reported through the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board's MLS system. This was actually up 7.7% from the previous high of 113,040 sales, which was reported back in 2016, and up 28% compared with 2020 numbers. Here in the Greater GTA, demand was up against a constrained supply of listings, as was the case for most of North America. New listings for the year were up only 6.2%, a lesser annual rate than were the sales. And this, of course, resulted in extremely tight market conditions and an all-time high average selling price of $1,095,475, which represented an increase of 17.8%. The previous record was held in 2022, where the average sale price was $929,636. Strong demand for home ownership continued despite COVID-19 surges, and there was job creation with above average earnings, which also attributed to strong demand. In addition, extremely low borrowing costs fueled demand. All of these factors continued the demand for not only ground-oriented homes, but also the resurgence of the condo market as well. A key trend in 2021 was the resurgence of the demand for homes in the 416 area code, which was up substantially at 36.8%. And the condo apartment market was a key driver to these numbers. Tight market conditions were experienced throughout the GTA and Golden Horseshoe areas in 2021, and lack of inventory was experienced across all housing types. The result was intense competition between buyers, resulting in multiple offer situations and pushing selling prices up by double digits year over year. In the last month of 2021, GTA Realtors reported 6,031 sales, which is strong. However, it is actually down by 15.7% compared to the record high of 7,154 sales, which was set in 2020. New listings over the same period were also down by 11.9% to only 5,174 units. And the average price was up 24.2% annually to $1,157,849. So, looking forward, what can we expect? The only real sustainable way in which to moderate price growth would be to increase the supply. We know that price is a function of supply and demand. And if we were to have more housing stock available to buyers, it would decrease the demand and we wouldn't have all this pricing, bidding and increase. As TREB's market analysis Jason Mercer recently reported when he said, history has shown that demand-side policies such as additional taxation on principal residents, foreign buyers, and small-scale investors have not been sustainable long-term solutions to housing affordability or supply constraints. Market reports do vary by area, and we're going to take a look at what some of our neighboring communities have recently reported. Look forward. What are the industry experts predicting for markets in the coming year? Things like jobs, COVID, interest rates are all going to affect demand and pricing. And you can check out my next video to find out more information about what industry experts are predicting for 2022. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. And if you think you know someone who might also benefit from this information, just hit the share button. And we'll see you next time